Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy the Binance wallet address. It is a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top. Simply go ahead and select it. After selecting, here you can find the option of Binance Wallet. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option of add funds. Simply go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on to receive tokens via address right here. Now here you can find all of your wallet address just like this. Now to copy, tap on to this clipboard option right here. Simply tap on it. Now we can see the wallet address has been copied to the clipboard. Now we can paste it wherever you want to paste it. And that's it. This is how you can copy your Binance wallet address. It's a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.